Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word consideration. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I will take your preferences into consideration when planning the event. Consideration refers to the careful thought and evaluation of something, often taking into account various factors or perspectives before making a decision. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.